Opposition. The Legislative Assembly is the legislative branch of the government of El Salvador. The Salvadoran legislature is a unicameral body. It is made up of 84 deputies, all of whom are elected by direct popular vote according to open list proportional representation, to serve 3-year terms and are eligible for immediate re-election. Of these, 64 are elected in 14 multi-seat constituencies, corresponding to the country's 14 departments, which return between 3 and 16 deputies each. The remaining 20 deputies are selected on the basis of a single national constituency. To be eligible for election to the Assembly, candidates must be. El Salvador also returns 20 deputies to the supranational Central American Parliament, also elected according to closed list proportional representation from a single national constituency. Coordinates: 13 degrees 42 minutes 22 seconds north, 89 degrees 11 minutes 58 seconds west, 13.70611 degrees north, 89.19944 degrees west, 13.70611, minus 89.19944.